The next person is Mr. Jagdish Tytler.
Because there has been so strong evidence against him right from the very beginning. But using his power, political power and money power, he has been saving from the clutches of the law. So many people had seen him. Because you see, these are not the blind murders. These murders, these people have committed in the open daylight, in front of everybody. But it is their pressure and their power that nobody is prepared to come forward to depose. Now, the one person who came forward, he threatened him, he threatened his family, he put pressure on him through his family. So, as a result, because of that reason, and the CBI also didn't do the proper investigation. Now, right from the very beginning, we have been saying CBI is not recording the statements of all the witnesses. But they repeatedly gave the clean sheet without recording the statements of all the witnesses. Ultimately, now the CBI has recorded the statements, and the witnesses have given the statements, and on the basis of that, court had directed that the murder case should be initiated against Jagdish Tytler.
We also heard during the hearings that there are 3 witnesses who saw Mr. Jagdish Tytler at 3 different locations, including at the Gurdwara, instigating the mob.
3 witnesses who have given the statement, they are alive today. 1 witness who had given the statement, unfortunately he is no more, and in fact he was harassed so much by Jagdish Tytler that he has died now. He is no more now, but 3 witnesses are still there who has given the statement.
As far as this case is concerned, cognizance has been taken. Murder is the charge and other charges have been levelled. How do we see this going forward?
Now this found 5th, he will be produced in the court. He will be taken in custody, sent to jail. After that, the trial will start, and we are sure that he will be behind the bars very soon. And now, you see, this is what Jagdish Tytler. Now the other person, Kamal Nath. The Kamal Nath also, there is such a strong evidence against him. Kamal Nath set Gurdwara Rakabganj Sahib on fire, which is right next to the parliament, and burnt 2 Sikhs alive over there. And there are independent witnesses. One witness is a reporter. He was a press reporter at that time. He has given a story at that time. On 2nd November 84, his story came that Kamal Nath was leading the mob over there. He came all the way from London. Now he's based in London, Sanjay Suri. Sanjay Suri came all the way from London to give evidence here that he has seen Kamal Nath. He was leading the mob over there. Now, you see, right next to Parliament, setting on fire this Gurdwara of Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, burning 2 Sikhs alive, and no case starting. Now, this is what's happening here. I'm surprised. Then we claim that we are the biggest democracy of the world. What democracy? Right next to the Parliament's wall. मेरे गुरुद्वारा साहब और गुरु तेग बहादुर हूँ भी कॉल हिंद की चादर. हिंदू धर्म को कहते हैं हमने उन्होंने बचाया, मगर और गुरुद्वारे को आग लगाई, 2 सिखों को वहाँ पे जिंदा जला दिया, उस आदमी को कुछ नहीं किया. और किसी को भी, no one has been prosecuted for that. No case has been registered and no trial has started for that. What is happening here? I am surprised and shocked. So now next we will press for that the murder case should also start against Kamal Nath.
I also want to ask you, you said that after the next hearing, Mr. Jagdish Tytler could go to jail. The charge sheet was filed without arrest. So do you think there is a provision? Will you push for him to be arrested immediately?
No, he will try for the bail. Will oppose the bail because he has a history of threatening the witnesses. He even threatened me. When this person has got the guts to threaten even the lawyer. Defamation case is still going on. That is still going on in Patiala House Court, where he threatened me. And if he can go to the extent of the threatening the lawyer, he can go to the extent of threatening the witnesses. This kind of a person should not be released on bail.
A final question, after 39 years, now some ray of hope. Is it a big victory, first step in terms of the wheels of justice rolling?
You see, that is though late, but better late than never. Though it has taken 39 years, though it is said just delayed is just denied, but at the same time I believe in these cases of genocides, the perpetrators should not go scot-free. Now, if the guilty of 1984 has gone scot-free, the people who had now done the same things with the Sikh girls, what is happening in Manipur now? The people who are responsible for raping the Sikh girls.
Then Mr. HS Phoolka, of course, expressing relief at the fact that finally the case is headed in the right direction and the trial has begun.